Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you will get your responses and sort them. So first of all, I'm going to go through and fill out this form that we've created. So that you can see what it looks like from the student side. Okay, and so we talked about how students might be able to view their score, and we made that setting. So here I'm going to click on view score. I got 10 out of 20. So it looks like I got everything correct. But because my paragraph is going to be graded and I'll receive that score later, I didn't get a score for that yet. And here's my feedback that says Mrs. Bland will contact you with your score. Okay, so now that I've filled that out, let's go back to our original form that we created. And up here at the top, we have questions and responses. And now you can see that I've had one response. So let's click on that. And Google Forms makes us some nice charts, makes it look really nice, but this is not my favorite view for my responses. So what we would like to do instead is go up here and create a spreadsheet. Before we do that though, when you have a quiz open for students and they are required to take it maybe within 1 or 2 days time, and that time has passed, you can lock this so that the form is no longer open and accepting responses. Okay, so let's click on our green square here, and it asks us if we want to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet. So I'm going to create a new one. And if you're not familiar with Google Sheets, it looks a lot like Excel. It has a lot of the same functions that Excel does, and it's really easy to use. So I got my timestamp so you can see what time I took this quiz, my email address, my score, first and last name, and all of my answers. So instead of looking at just this one response though, I do want to show you how you would sort these. So I'm going to go back into another one of my forms to show you that. So I want these to be in order by class period and then by student's last name. All of my students in this class have the same last name, but at least you'll be able to see what period they have me. So I'm going to highlight all of my columns, go to data, and then click on sort range. So my data has a header row. This will kind of make sure that I'm sorting by the right information. So first I want to sort by class period, and then I want to sort by last name. Sort. And now I have all of my A period together, B, and C. And so I can still see my student scores. Okay, so now if you get into this and you start sorting and you feel like things get messed up, it's okay. You can always come over here and hit the undo button and go back to the beginning. If you feel like you've deleted student scores, you can always just go to File and move this to Trash and start completely over. Then you would just go back into your original form and responses and create a new spreadsheet. So you really can't mess up here. If when you're getting into this sort feature, things go wrong, you can always start over.